everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to change colors really fast in Adobe Express without manually having to go in and switch each one painstakingly. Manual recoloring can be slow and consistent, and it's how designs accidentally end up with 6 different blues. Express has a built-in system that fixes this instantly. So I already have this design open and it has colors that I do want to change. Down here on the left-hand corner, I'm gonna go to theme. So I am opened up to different color themes and it gives us options of some color palettes that they have on their own. You can create your own, and when I click on them, it automatically changes the colors of the poster accordingly, and it is a lot quicker than having to change one by one, and it is pretty cool to see. If you have a brand kit already made and you want to use that color palette, it is available for you as well. For example, this is one of my brand kits, and if I click on this color palette, it has already automatically updated and it is ready to go. I just have to change the text to what I like and send it off. And in this theme tool, Express treats colors as a system and not individual swatches, so every single color here matters. If you want to have your own brand kit, I have a video on how to do that. This was just a really quick tip, so if you have any questions or you have any recommendations that are similar to this tip, go ahead and let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching!